Problems on arbitrary potential. Example number 2. Resistors, each of value 1 ohm, are arranged as shown in the figure. The equivalent resistance between the points A and B is. Options are 1 by 2 ohm, 1 by 5 ohm, 5 by 4 ohm, 4 by 5 ohm. So to solve this, let us use arbitrary potential method. So this is the circuit given. So let us say potential at point A, let this be V1. If potential here is V1, so this point is directly connected to this point also. So here also it is V1. Now let us consider potential at point B to be V2. So if this is V2, this point is also directly connected to B, so this should also be V2. Then in between there is another point. Let us call the potential here is V3. If this is V3, this should also be V3. So they are shorted, they must be at same potential. Now I can redraw this circuit. See, this resistance, which I am marking it, is between potentials V1 and V3. So this is also between V1 and V3. So they must be in parallel. They have same potential difference across them. They must be in parallel. Similarly, if I consider this resistor, it is between V2 and V3. I'm double ticking it. Now another resistor, this one, this is also between V2 and V3. I'm double ticking it. So they must be in parallel. Right. Now this one single resistor is between V1 and V2. Now I can redraw this circuit like this. So starting from A, we have potential V1 here. So between V1 and V3 there are two resistors. One is this, another is this. So this is one resistance. I'll draw another resistance here. So these two are connected to V3, right? Then between V3 and V2 there are two more resistors. One is this, one is this. So this goes to potential V2. I'll draw one more here. This also goes to V2. So each one they have given it is 1 ohm. So this point is B. Correct. So all the four resistors over, central resistor is pending. It is between V1 and V2. So I will connect it here. This is again 1 ohm. Now clearly these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel. So effective will be half. This will be half. So these two are in series. This should be 1 ohm. Right. So this 1 ohm and this 1 ohm, they are in parallel. So effective resistance RAB is equal to 1 by 2 ohm. So that is option A.